मी एंड माई सन इनको जाना था स्नैक्स लेने, तो हम न्यूटन्स गए और मैं 2 दिन पहले ही आया था रमजान बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे। इट्स पीसफुल, इट्स क्वाइट, वी लव गोवा। तो हम यहाँ आए कि हम यहाँ 15 दिन मजे करेंगे और आराम से रोजे रखेंगे। तो हम स्नैक्स लेने न्यूटन गए, हमने लेफ्ट का सिग्नल दिया, लेफ्ट में गाड़ी डाल दिया। अब लेफ्ट का सिग्नल देने के बाद, पार्क करने के बाद तो सिग्नल बंद हो जाता है। नाउ दिस जेंटलमैन हु वाज completely, in drunk, he was in a party mode. He comes to my window and he starts abusing me. He tries to hit me with his, तो मैंने सर हटा लिया. Then he's abusing my son. He's saying dirtiest languages, which I don't want to say here. That's his one opinion. But I got scared. Then he said, आ गया तेरे को देखता हूँ. So then I was like, मेरे को तो आगे से ही जाना है. So I called 100. पुलिस आई वहां पे, but in that much time 150 से 200 लोगों ने पूरे रोड को जाम कर दिया।
लोकल टूरिस्ट,
लोकल लोगों ने एंड दे आर सेइंग, दे सॉ द स्टिकर ऑन माय कार, दे सेड तू आमदार है क्या, तू ये है क्या। तो आई फेल्ट रियली हर्ट। दे वर ट्राइंग टू पुल अस आउट ऑफ द कार, दे वर ट्राइंग टू पुल माय सन आउट ऑफ द कार, दे वर गिविंग अस द डर्टीएस्ट अब्यूजेस एंड यूजिंग रेसिस्ट टर्म्स। बट आई डोंट वांट टू, आई एम विलिंग टू लेट एवरीथिंग गो।
इंसिडेंट हुआ, बाद में फिर नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ?
Then the police came,
Okay.
and then I called the police, but they were insisting that I be taken in the custody. मैं नहीं जा रहा था, लेकिन वो लोग हलने ही नहीं दे रहे हमको वहां से. So then police said, "Bhai, why don't you also come?" So then I said, "Okay, I'll cooperate with you." I went and sat in the police van. Then they heard that I have a weapon in my bag from the police. Till then, there was no sign of the weapon. It's my duty to inform the police. I have a video where I'm handing my bag to the police. They are trying to snatch the bag. They're trying to open the bag and take the weapon out. They have beaten the cops. They have hurt the police. How can they get inside the police van and try to pull me out? So these are the things that happened. And these things, this is India. We are still a democratic constitutional country. And I believe in the constitution. I'm a constitutional activist. I'm an entrepreneur. I come from a political party's background. But I am not living that on the daily. I am Goan. I'm also Maharashtrian. But I'm Indian first. So anybody who comes in the way and tries to make Goa look communal, I'm going to teach them a lesson. The police is going to teach them a lesson. The law is going to teach them. I invite all Goans who have come out in support of me. Thank you very much. I would love to, meet all of you and tell you that we love Goa. We have to make Goa great again. The entire country and the world loves Goa. So let's not make this incident.
वीडियो में दिख रहे थे कि 1-2 लड़की लोगों ने आके आपका कार पे ये हुआ था. What happened on that time?
So nothing happened, sir. They just came and the police was letting my son go home. They were saying, "Ki take the son also into custody." But he's underage, sir. He's 11 years old.
Okay.
And he was in tears. He was shivering. The police said, "Take him home." But the crowd was not letting him go home, sir. That is why that video came.
Okay. Sir, one of the local guy has complained this allegation for the you. आप फर्स्ट टाइम ये हुआ था बोलता है, फिर आके दूसरे टाइम में आके आपने थर्ड दिया है उसको.
नहीं सर,
मेरे पास गन है बोलकर ऐसा बोला.
Impossible, sir. The police, you think the police is incompetent? You think the police will hand over my weapon back to me if I would have misused it? I am a responsible. I know the Arms Act backwards. I was stopping the police from showing them the weapon also. But the crowd would not listen. They just heard about the weapon and they tried to snatch it. And that is illegal. It cannot be allowed. I never brandished the weapon. I have a video which will prove that I handed over my bag to the police. I never used the bag. I never used the...
Sir, कभी भी इतना साल से आप गोवा में हैं, this type of incident कभी हुआ है?
Never. First time in 20 years. अभी आई डोंट नो, वातावरण कुछ खराब हुआ है पिछले महीनों में. बिकॉज मैं अभी आया हूँ 4 महीने के बाद. एंड मैं 20 साल से आ रहा हूँ. मेरा प्रॉपर्टी रजिस्ट्रेशन देखो आप कभी किया है. मेरा होटल्स है. आई हैव गोवन्स हु लव मी. आई लव देम बैक. माई डेंटिस्ट इज गोवन. माई लॉयर इज गोवन. माई बॉडीगार्ड इज गोवन. माई ड्राइवर पण गोवन आहे, मोजिस. तो अभी मैं और क्या, मैं कितना गोवन बनूं और.
इसका इंसिडेंट का बैकग्राउंड क्या कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है? बैक
आई फील just anti-social elements, creating a ruckus and, protecting your vote banks.
Okay.
I feel like the local MLA needs to talk to these people. Okay. Hold a conference, get people together. And the local MLA, Mr. Michael Lobo, he must come out and handle his constituency. I urge him, I request Mr. Lobo that I'm ready to sit with him. He's my senior. I'm also from the political class. He's from BJP, I'm from Samajwadi. But we are all Indians. I'm saying let's make this vicious environment a more friendly environment that people can come and have a good time in Goa. You don't come to Goa and get beaten up and go back. You know, Telangana mein kya hua? Maharashtra ke ek bachcha ICU mein hai. So there are many incidents happening every day. We need to clean Goa. We need green Goa. We need to bring Goa back.
So what about your strong demand on the Goa police and Goa government?
I think Goa police is doing an amazing job. It's the politicians here. You know, it's the politicians who seem to just give in to the crowds. You cannot do like that. We have 36 member of parliament, Samajwadi Party. You know, my party has 2 MLAs in Mumbai and we contest several seats. But never have we allowed our constituents to run amok around and hurt other citizens of the country. Never. That should not be allowed. Mr. Lobo, I urge you that please, sir, you know, step out and make the environment more friendly, more happy.
Coastal belt.
Yes.
Okay, just one more, sir. Today, as a Maharashtra Assembly, also you see on the what about your reaction on the Assembly?
I mean, it's sad that my father has been suspended for speaking facts. IPS, IS के एग्जाम्स होते हैं. उनके क्वेश्चनर में लिखा है कि शिवाजी के बारे में, औरंगजेब जी के बारे में. मेरे फादर ने उसी क्वेश्चनर को कोट किया है. And Mr. Shinde has got such a bad pinch that he is trying to hide Dhananjay Munde ji's murderous politics, where he has in broad daylight murdered a sarpanch. Apparently, allegedly, but charge sheet mein unka naam nahi hai. Where's his name in the charge sheet? So, police is not to be blamed. It's our dear politicians. Please get your act together. The country is in pain. And we need to, you know, make India glorious again. So can we please, you know, be honest and do our duties as the oath we have taken. That's the message that I give to the police and the politicians. Not just in Goa, sir. Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, हर जगह यही हाल है.
फादर का साथ ऐसा हाल ये हुआ ना, उसके लिए क्या महाराष्ट्र?
I condemn it, sir. I highly condemn it. अगर आप सच को उजागर नहीं करेंगे, तो ऐसे असामाजिक तत्व आकर के देश को तोड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे. I highly condemn it. I support my father. Jai Samajwad, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Goa, Jai Hind.